YouTube is slowly rolling out this feature which allows you to A/B test and compare your thumbnails and titles. Not only are you able to test and compare your title only, but also your thumbnail only, as well as both your title and thumbnail to make sure you get the highest YouTube click-through rates. So let me show you how to do that. First things first, head over to YouTube, click on your profile picture on the top right-hand side, and then on YouTube Studio. Click on Content from the left-hand side panel, and then select a video which you don't think is performing well, such as this one here which I have on how to hide a page on Wix. Then, right below the title, click on A/B testing. As I mentioned, this YouTube A/B testing feature allows you to test the title only, thumbnail only, as well as both the thumbnail and title. All you have to do is choose the option you want to test and compare, such as title and thumbnail, and then add up to 3 different thumbnails and 3 different titles. Or, if you wish, you can add the same thumbnails and different titles, or different thumbnails while keeping the titles the same. For the purposes of this video, I'll be testing 3 different thumbnails as well as 3 different titles. So all we have to do is click on Add Thumbnail, select the appropriate thumbnail from our documents, and then click on Open. Then select a different title, such as this one over here, and paste it in the space provided. Let's do the same thing for the last thumbnail. Click on Add Thumbnail, select a different thumbnail, click on Open, and then write or paste a different title in the space provided. Once you've added all 3 thumbnails and titles for the A/B test, it will say Title and Thumbnail Test is ready on the bottom left, and all you have to do is click on Set Test to get started. The test is ready and will start once you save your changes. So let's go ahead and do just that. Click on Save on the top right-hand side. To view the test results of your A/B test to get the most click-through rates on YouTube, click on View Test Report. The test will run for 14 days. As you can see over here at the bottom, it says the estimated time remaining is 13 days and 23 hours. To ensure you set the absolute best option, you'll be able to see the watch time share for each of the thumbnails and titles you set. You will then be able to choose the one with the best watch time, or click on Set this option if you want to override the option that YouTube comes up with. You can also click on New Test at the bottom if you want to test new titles, thumbnails, or both options. If you want to learn even more YouTube tips and tricks to maximize your results on the platform, make sure to check out this playlist on the screen right now.